If you have been looking for a detached home which offers comfort, space, and an amazing value, then I might have a perfect one for you. This is Hari Shukla with the Affinity Real Estate team. I'm excited to present you our latest listing, 530 Wellington Street here in beautiful town of Palmerston. Come, let's take a look inside. This classic 1.5 quarter story home blends main floor comfort with the added bonus of upper level space, featuring 3 bedrooms and an updated 4-piece bathroom and a spacious eat-in kitchen full of charm. It offers both functionality and warmth. One of the standout features is the inviting family room, which opens directly onto the private patio and a beautiful landscape backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. You are steps away from the Heritage Park, the public school, and all the essential amenities, making the ideal location for families. The home also features valuable upgrades including durable metal roof, newer windows and appliances, and a fresh decor throughout. So whether you are a first-time home buyer or just looking for a great family-friendly neighborhood, this home is just for you. For more details and to book a private tour, please reach out to us at 226-243-6971.